Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Well, hello and welcome to Cooking with Kevin. We're going to do a Southern black-eyed peas. Very simple, not a very difficult recipe. We're going to do some ground pork, half onion, half a bell pepper, 2 cans of black-eyed peas, and then for seasoning I'm going to use some garlic plus, some Tony's Creole seasoning, and pepper.
And just to be exact, it's ground pork sausage.
Yeah, okay. So we're going to do the ground pork sausage and the onion and the bell pepper. We're going to brown them up first, then we'll add in our peas and seasonings and simmer for 20 minutes. We're going to have it over rice. So I'm about ready to turn on the pressure cooker to cook the rice, and that'll be it. That'll be supper. Okay, see you shortly over at the stove. Okay, we are getting this going. Whoops. What'd you do that for?
I think you're going to start putting the seasonings in whenever. Because the more you season that meat, the better. Because we don't get good sausage like the States do.
No.
Hold your breath. That's good. That's enough. That's enough.
Who's doing this? You or me? Huh?
You can put lots of the garlic.
Oh, can I?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks for that permission.
You're welcome. Oh, man. Smells good already.
What's that?
Smells good already.
Of course it does, because I'm cooking it.
It's actually quite a healthy meal too, you know.
Yeah, I'm sure not everybody will agree with that.
I want to make it as soup sometime too. I've seen some other recipes.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely we only need 1 can of beans for just us.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, we don't need to bore people anymore. We'll
Alright.
bring them back when we add the beans in.
Sounds good. You just drain some of the fat off.
Yeah, and just some little bit of the. I had put some olive oil in there. We're ready for the beans.
I think so.
And you said no straining, right?
Yeah. That's what she said. Oh yeah, that's plenty for us.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we're gonna This is going to simmer for about 20 minutes.
I mean, we love every bean that there is, so I don't see why we wouldn't like this one.
Come back up here.
And then I think you're going to add some smoked paprika, you said?
I do. Well, I'm going to flavor a little bit more. And then
Yeah.
just oh, the power off of that is horrible.
Good thing it's just the two of us eating since you're double dipping.
Yep.
All right, I guess I can meet us at the table, huh?
Yep.
All right, let's give it a try. It's a win.
It's good.
It is good. Love it. And I want to try making bean soup with these because I've seen the
Yeah.
recipes.
But adding the smoked paprika.
All right, that's a wrap.
It is. Really.
All right, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Yesterday there was sun.